Doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Zola wedding website. Zola wedding website is a platform that will allow you to create free wedding websites, a registry, and you can also use it for other features that are related to your upcoming wedding. For example, if you would like to create a registry, you could tap right here once you're on their website, or you can use it to create a free wedding website. For this example, I'll be showing you how to create a registry and also how to create a free wedding website. The first option we'll be using is the free wedding website. So you're going to tap right there on free wedding website. Then you can tap on start your free website. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can select where you are in your planning journey. So for example, are you not engaged as yet, newly engaged and exploring, planning mode but haven't booked a venue yet, planning mode and be already booked a venue, almost done, just the details left. You can select any one of these options. Then you're going to tap on next. After you have tapped on next, from here you'll be prompted to enter in your first and last name and also your partner's first and last name. So let me do that real quick. So I'll enter in a name right here. After you have done that, you're going to select a wedding date, a suggested wedding date. So you can do that real quick. So let me select a date, or you can select we're still deciding. Then you're going to tap on next. From here, you're going to enter in your email address and you're going to create a password. After you have done that, you're going to tap on let's go. Then from here, you can see where are you getting married. You can enter in a city or you can tap on we're still deciding, then tap on next. Sounds like a party, who's making the list, and you can enter your guest list count right here, or you can tap on we're still deciding, then you'll tap on next. We're so glad you're here. Who can we thank for sending you our way? And you can select where you found out about Zola. So you can select, for example, YouTube, then you will tap on start planning. After you have tapped on start planning, you will be redirected to the editor page. Once on the editor page, if you don't like the current template that they have provided you with, you can change it real quick. So you can choose whether you like to use the single page format, which is this option, or the multiple page format, which is this option right here. And you can also change the design overall by tapping on change design from the left hand menu option. After you have tapped on change design, you can see the different designs that you can choose from by simply scrolling down from the left hand menu option right here. And let's say, for example, I were to use this design. After you have selected the design, all you need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to tap on edit website. So let me do that real quick. First, I'm going to save the design. So I'll tap on save. Once you have tapped on save, you're going to tap on back in the top left hand corner. After you have tapped on back, you're going to tap on edit website. From here, you can tap on home. After you have tapped on home, you can choose to change the welcome message. So you can change the welcome message right here. So for example, I can type in we're getting married. You can see it right there. You can see our names. You can edit the name if you want. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down. And from here, you can edit the wedding details. You can also add a video if you want. By tapping on add a video, you could also add a story. And by the way, if you would like to create a video for your wedding, an invitation video or so on, a good platform to do this on would be Canva. After you have done that, you can also add some photos. So I could tap on browse photos and I'm just going to be adding a random photo. So let's say, for example, I were to add this thumbnail. So let's do that real quick. Then I'll tap on save. So you can add random photos. After you have done that, you're going to simply go back. After you have done that, you're going to tap on sections in the top left hand corner to go back. Then from here, you could tap on schedule. and you could edit the schedule as you can see right here. So you can tap on add event. After you have tapped on add event, you can select the event type. So we're going to tap on wedding, or you can add reception or after party. After you have done that, you can select the start date, time, and so on, and the venue and address. Once you're finished, you can also add other event details. So you could add the suggested attire, and you can also add a note to your guests and ask for meal preferences. You can do that also. Then you will tap on save. So you'll allow your visitors to RSVP using your website. Once you're finished, you'll tap on sections once more. Then from here, you can tap on registry. After you have tapped on registry, from this platform, you'll also be able to create a registry. So to create a registry, all you'll need to do is simply tap on add gifts. Once you have tapped on add gifts, you will be redirected to the Zola registry. Once you're on this page, from here you can either tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and search for a particular product, or you can simply scroll down and you can add products to the registry by tapping on add to registry. And you can also go over to the left hand menu option and select from the different categories, and then you can select the top rated and you can simply tap on add to registry. Once you have done that, they'll be automatically added to your registry. As you can see right here, you can do that real quick. And you can also choose to share your registry by tapping on share in the top right hand corner, or you can choose to preview it by tapping on preview as guest. Let me preview how it looks so you can see how our Zola registry will look. So this is definitely a good website to go on, as it is an all-in-one website that you can use to not only create an RSVP, a beautiful wedding website, but you can also automatically add your registry to your website. Finish, you'll go back over to the left-hand menu option and tap on wedding. Then you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, we're going to continue editing our website, so we'll tap on edit website. After you have done that, you can scroll down, you can tap on wedding party from the left hand menu option, and from here you could tap on add people, and you could add persons that are taking part in your wedding party. You can also tap on gallery and you could add photos and videos. Then you could go back and you could set up things to do. You can tap on add recommendations, and from there you can either enter address manually or so on. Then you will go back and you can also set up an FAQ, and we could tap on RSVP, and after selecting RSVP you could toggle on, so you will make it public right there, and you can tap on create an event. After you have done that, you are going to need to select the event type, which will be a wedding. Then you are going to need to select the date that you are going to keep your wedding on, and you will also select how long you will be giving persons before they can confirm their RSVP. Once you're finished doing everything, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner. Then from there you can preview your wedding website. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.